camera one. Okay. Picture. Ang laki niya. So, laser Buddha. First stop, dadaan kayo dito sa Today, let's explore Pattaya, Thailand! It is actually my third time in Thailand and I always want to visit Pattaya. Nag-book ulit kami through Klook at ang nagustuhan ko dito is pwede mong i-customize yung itinerary mo depende sa gusto mong puntahan. After mo mag-book, may mag-reach out sa'yo through WhatsApp para i-confirm yung itinerary at pick-up details. So very convenient siya. Another thing na natuwa kami is same driver ulit yung nag-assist sa amin sa Khao Yai Tour and here sa Pattaya Tour. For this tour, mga 8 AM kami umalis ng Bangkok. And note that Pattaya is around 2 hours away from Bangkok by car, depende sa traffic. And yung daan niya is nasa ibang side ng dinaanan papuntang Khao Yai. And after almost 2 hours of driving, finally nakarating na rin kami sa first stop. First stop is Sanctuary of Truth. And honestly, ito talaga yung pinakadahilan kung bakit gusto kong pumunta ng Pattaya. Ever since na lagi ko siyang nakikita sa mga travel videos, reels, sobrang fascinated na ako sa place na to. Iba talaga yung dating niya, so seeing it in person was something I was really looking forward to. The entrance fee is 500 baht per person and since nag-avail kami ng Klook Tour package, is kasama na yung entrance fee dun sa package na yon. So, tinulungan kami ng Klook driver to get the tickets and siya na lang din nag-abot sa amin ng ticket stub.
Yan, ito po yung rules namin sa loob. Kailangan mo magsuot ng helmet kasi may ini-install kami bagong artwork sa loob. Then meron kayong tour guide na English for 1 hour. Pag hindi kayo nakasuot ng tamang dress code namin, you need to deposit 200 baht for the cover. Okay naman lang nakasuot nyo. Tapos kung gusto nyo Thai costume, meron po kami sa loob, 400 baht lang. Tapos yung mga outside drinks, tsaka big bag, bawal sa loob. Yun lang naman po.
Ito, okay na to.
Okay na po siguro yan. Yung okay yan, okay po.
Okay.
Tapos ang natin, English, anong oras na mga 9:50. Ang susunod namin ay 10:10. 10:10.
Sayang yung 940.
Oo.
10:10.
10:10. Tapos
Kaya naman. Picture mo.
after naman nung yung tour guide nyo, pwede na kayo mag-roam around sa loob.
Okay. So right now, nasa may Sanctuary of Truth tayo. Here in Pattaya. 2 hours mahigit yung biyahe dito. And naglalakad na tayo papasok. Merong mga rental ng damit. Bawal ang tubig at pagkain sa loob. We're waiting.
With oneself and fellow human beings, together with nature in the environment, coexist in peace. The creator realizes that fast
Maramihan siya.
technology nowadays affects people's way of living. Pressure, conflicts, and troubles
Meron siyang onting hike pababa. Kasi nasa baba yung museum. Uy, may pulse. Mini pulse. Careful. Unti lang naman pala. As in mini-mini lang. Parang mga few steps. Kaya
Ito lang yun.
oo, ayan ang may maakyat. Pasalubong.
Dito yung pakya?
Oo.
Parang hindi.
Ayan o. Thank you. Okay. So you have to wear helmet all the time. Before entering, required muna kayong magsuot ng helmet kasi until now, ongoing pa rin yung construction and restoration ng ibang parts ng museum. Don't worry though, pwede nyo naman siyang tanggalin kapag magpipicture na kayo. By batch din pala ang pagpasok dito and every batch may assigned na tour guide sa inyo. May options for English, Arabic, and Thai, and not sure sa iba, pero ito yung mga common na tour guides. So, syempre, dun kami sa English. Fun fact as well, ang dami palang Pinoy na nagtatrabaho dito. Kung saswertehin kayo, baka Pinoy pa mismo yung maging tour guide nyo. And tinutulungan nila kayo dun sa mga photo spots talaga. Stop, dadaan kayo dito sa may pagawaan. Currently ginagawa pa lang sila. Look at that. Grabe yung details. Zoom natin. Grabe yung paggawa. So ito yung paggawaan. And ito, ang sabi ng tour guide, ito yung totoong parang replica, mini replica of it. So ginagawa pa lang siya.
And wooden wedge interlock this one together. This camo we use as a nails. And this is how we combine the column inside the museum. Everyone inside the museum, there were 120 pillars in total to support the whole museum. So many, right?
Pagpasok pa lang is madadaanan nyo na yung workshop kung saan makikita nyo yung mga artisans na nag-uukit ng mga kahoy. As in, mano-mano lahat, walang shortcuts. Nakaka-amaze panoorin kasi makikita mo talaga yung effort at skill na kailangan para mabuo yung bawat detalye. Okay, so
don't
sinasabi
worry,
niya,
after the tour, you have time more to
This
come
is
back
not
here and take a
temple.
picture.
So,
But I
yung sanctuary
hope
of Truth is not
the
a
sun is
temple,
not
but rather
like
a
here.
museum. This is full
Okay,
of
this way,
artwork.
this way, Carlos. It's okay. This way. Everyone's on your right hand. This is a refreshment alley. After the tour, you can take some rest right here. Elephant. Okay.
Elephant.
Everyone, this is the easiest way to go out of this museum. We cannot get inside this way because the fathers believe in feng shui. It could be better if in front of the house is turned to the sea and the back of the house is turned to the mountain to correct the good thing inside this museum. Okay. Oh, it's very hot, right? Let's go fast forward.
Okay, ang sabi niya, in translation, in short term, dito kayo lalabas kasi good vibes daw kapag malapit sa sea, tapos
because this
mountain.
museum, oh, this is a new one and they didn't
Katapat
paint
ay
yet.
mountain.
Okay.
Pagdating sa main structure, grabe, mas maganda talaga siya sa personal. Halos lahat ng makikita nyo dito ay gawa sa kahoy and every single carving is handcrafted. And the most amazing part is walang nails na ginamit dito. And just to clarify ha, museum siya, hindi temple. The whole place is actually built to showcase different philosophies, religions, at cultural beliefs from Thailand. Kaya halos bawat sculpture at bawat sulok may meaning na kwento yung tour guide.
On Sunday to Saturday, like a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday to Saturday, indicate our new personality. In Thai, we believe when we born on Saturday, we're gonna be a person who is active, friendly. This is an example for me, but you can read more down there. They're gonna tell you what is your personality on your birthday, okay?
The guided tour usually lasts around 30 to 40 minutes and then you have free time na to roam around, picture, and everything. Sobrang interesting na mga explanation, hindi lang siya tungkol sa architecture, meron ding mga life lessons behind every carving. Quick tip pala ha, magdala kayo ng mini fan o pamaypay, lalo na kung daytime kayo pupunta. Open air kasi yung museum and beside the sea talaga siya. So medyo mainit talaga habang umiikot. By the way, yung tour guide pala, kasama rin siya dun sa babayaran kasi wala na siyang Pero sa lahat ng narinig ko during the tour, ito talaga yung pinakatumatak sa akin. Hindi lang pala siya tungkol sa ganda ng building, it's really about becoming a better person. No matter who you are or what you have in life, treat people with kindness, respect everyone, and always choose humility. Sabi nga nila, the greatest truth is not found in what we own, but in how we live and how we treat others. And I think that's exactly what makes the Sanctuary of Truth so special. Okay, the tour is done. So, after the tour, meron kayong time, pwede naman kayo magstay, take pictures, ang init nga lang talaga. So, talagang pagpapawisan kayo. Meron din mga restroom dito. So, after noon, refreshments na tayo. So, ayan. May mga ganitong area dito. So, pabalik, dito rin tayo dadaan. Ayan. So, refreshment. Actually, may baon kami. Medyo pricey dito kung makikita nyo. So, siguro tip lang. 50 ba to? Tip lang. Pwede kayong magbaon. Kasi saka-service naman kami. Iniiwan lang namin sa sasakyan. Bili tayo nito. Ice 10 baht. So, pwede naman. Mas okay yung ganun. Wala lang silang cover ata.
Cover yan.
Next stop is Pattaya Beach, which is one of the famous beach in Pattaya, Thailand. Maraming activities dito, pero since later nga lang kami, naglakad-lakad lang kami sa beachfront, nagpicture, tapos in-enjoy lang yung view. So talagang very, very quick daan lang. Ang dami ring restaurants, cafes, at mga souvenir shops sa paligid, kaya buhay na buhay talaga yung area. There are many tourists in the area since very sikat din naman talaga yung Pattaya when it comes to top spots in Thailand. Okay. Chilling area din naman siya. Oh, may shoe. Chill area. Chill area, hindi naman pala ano. Oh! Pino din naman yung sand nila.
Ganda nung parasailing nila dito, pero mababa lang.
We're here at Pattaya Beach. Hindi ganun kaba. Yung baho. Parang may, hindi naman mabaho, pero iba yung amoy. Yan, so, here. Okay, picture lang, then alis na tayo. Medyo may malansang amoy dito sa may Pattaya Beach. Pero okay na din, mapino, ganito yung sand. Pero mas maganda pa rin sa Boracay, syempre. Umano na sa paa ko. Yung ganito nila, parang hindi nakaka-refreshing. Ang baba masyado, tabi-tabi. Tapos ito mga nasa ganito lang, parang hindi maganda. Pero ito okay oh. Look at that. Ayan. Ang okay dito, parang andito yung shore. Ayan yung shore. Tambayan. And ito. So yan. May mga kainan dyan. Yun yung okay. Itong Pattaya Beach is mahaba pa siya and along the way, there are many beaches na magaganda rin talaga pero hindi na namin yun napuntahan. Pattaya Beach is also good pero for me, comparing sa mga napuntahan ko and for my reference only, mas gusto ko pa rin yung beach natin sa Pilipinas, especially my favorite, Boracay. Now, after our quick stop in Pattaya Beach, we had our lunch dito sa Thai Basil Tray Restaurant, which is mga 3 minutes away lang from Pattaya Beach. Syempre for lunch, walang kasawa ang padkrapaw tayo. And for this place, siguro so-so lang. I can't really recommend this restaurant. Siguro, you can look for other restaurants na lang din. And medyo matagal yung serving nila. And in terms of the taste of the food, so-so lang talaga siya. Not the best one as I can say it. Next stop would be Nung Nooch Tropical Garden. May entrance fee yung place and based sa research namin before the trip, mas sulit bumili ng ticket through Klook. Pagdating namin, dumiretso lang kami sa online ticket booth, pinakita yung Klook booking namin, then kinonvert nila into a physical ticket. Bibigyan din kayo ng paper ticket na i-scan nyo upon entering. By the way, sobrang laki ng place as in hindi siya yung tipong kaya mong lakarin lahat nang hindi ka napapagod. Kaya ang ginawa namin, yung binook namin sa Klook is yung admission ticket with bus shuttle na din. Super worth it niya kasi hop on and hop off lang kayo sa iba't ibang stops. So hindi kayo mapapagod kakalakad.
รถก็จะออกทุก10 นาทีถ้าเกิดครบ2 โมงเย็น
Sightseeing bus. So, meron pang additional na bayad. Dapat entrance pa lang is mag-avail na kayo kasi may mga ticket na i-check. Kapag wala, hindi talaga nila kayo papasakayin.
การรถตู้สวนก็จะจอดให้ลูกค้าลง2 จุดนะครับจุดแรกเป็นบ่อปลายอดอาเบนตอนครับจุดที่2ก็จะเป็นหุบเขาไดโนเสาร์ครับ2 จุดก็ไม่จำกัดเวลานะครับ
Pwede kayong bumaba kapag may gusto kayong i-explore, then hintay lang ulit ng next shuttle. Pagpasok namin, doon namin na-realize kung gaano talaga kalaki yung Nungnuch. Parang hindi lang siya isang garden, may mga ilang attractions na pinagsama-sama sa isang place. Meron silang iba't ibang themed gardens, Stonehenge-inspired area, orchid gardens, cactus collections, and ang dami pang beautiful landscape spots na perfect talaga for photos. Wow!
ครับสองข้างทางก็จะเป็นเนสเซอรี่กระบองเพชรของสีตามมาจาก
Pottery. Ganda. Maliliit pa na cactus. Maliliit pa sila. At may mga kulay Bulaklak. Ganda. There's a Isa rin sa pinaka na-enjoy namin is yung Dinosaur Valley. Ang daming life-size dinosaur replicas kaya feeling mo nasa Jurassic Park ka habang naglalakad. Hindi lang for adult, sobrang ma-enjoy talaga if may kasama kayong mga kids.
ครับด้านหน้าก็จะเป็นเนรมิตนะครับจำลองมาจากประเทศจีนครับรถจะจอดตรงด้านซ้ายมือนะครับให้ลูกค้าลงถ่ายรูปได้ก็ไม่จำกัดเวลานะครับมาครับลูกค้ารถจอดตรงที่ไดโนเสาร์คอยาวครับตรงนี้ครับลูกค้า
Honestly, I think need ng whole day for you to really explore and maximize kung ano yung attractions na meron kay Nungnuch Garden. Meron silang mga cultural shows and elephant shows pero hindi na namin siya napuntahan since very limited time lang ang meron kami.
คนสาวมะพร้าวแปด30 ปีถึงก่อลูก17 ปีถึงจะสุดรายการฟอร์ฟิเชลกับมหาสมุทรอินเดียคำว่าผมก็ด้านในก็จะมีไดโนเสาร์คอยาวที่สุดในโลกขากลับนะลูกค้ารถจอดตรงที่ไดโนเสาร์คอยาวรถก็จะออกทุก10 นาทีจนครบ6 โมงเย็น
Grabe, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Oh, bato yan.
Galing nila.
Ang marami yung mga dinosaur. Natutuwa yung mga bata dito. Ayan. Ang dami yung mga dinosaurs.
Hala, sobrang laki. Hala, ito pinakamalaking isda na ano ko. Nakita ko. Dati sa Japan. Eh, sobrang laki niya. Eel.
I-slip ka. Butterfly hill.
Overall, Nungnuch is one of the highlight of this Pattaya Day Tour. Ang daming pwedeng makita, ang daming picture-perfect spots, kahit saan kayo tumingin, sobrang very well-maintained na talagang maa-amaze kayo paano nagawa tong place na to. Very, very good siya for plantitas and plantitos na rin.
Dito rin naman na yung exit. Kain muna tayo.
Our last stop is Khao Chi Chan or yung Laser Buddha Mountain. Ito yung malaking image ni Buddha na naka-engrave mismo sa gilid ng bundok.
We're here at Khao Chi Chan, so this is free admission. From parking lot, lakad lang ng onte. Ayan. This is our last stop for our day tour. Pattaya. So pagod.
Hindi siya inukit palabas, kundi laser siya sa bato. Simple lang yung place pero sobrang peaceful. Isa rin ito sa mga iconic landmarks ng Pattaya kaya sulit din talaga puntahan. This is free entrance by the way, so no need to book any tickets na.
Inat. So very quick lang dito. Picture lang. And alis na. Ayan na. Park. Ang laser Buddha. How much? 100 baht.
Nagpicture lang kami, then we head back since hapon na din talaga and we need to travel back papuntang Bangkok. And for Khao Chi Chan, isa to sa pinaka-inaantay ko na makita for this trip. Kasi sobrang laki talaga niya and nakaka-amaze. Ang ganda niya puntahan actually ng umaga and feeling ko sa gabi, mas maganda din siya puntahan kasi sobrang makikita mo yung laser na Buddha. And that's a wrap for our Pattaya Day Tour. Actually, mukhang unti yung napuntahan namin pero sobrang nakakapagod din and busog yung mata namin sa mga napuntahan namin. It's amazing how Thailand really are rich in booming their tourism. So if you're new on this channel, hi, I'm Shai and I'm new on this field. My family and I loves traveling lately, so I thought of why not create a digital diary so we can look back on this in the future. And also at the same time, share travel tips and guides to you all. If you appreciate this video, a little nudge, like, and subscribe would be appreciated. You may also comment which part in Pattaya you would want to go to. Thank you and see you on my next vlog. Ciao!